Welcome to our channel. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to create a Christmas candy cane. These are the products I will use in this video. If we were working on natural nail, we will have to apply the Urban Grafitti base coat. However, on acrylic or gel, this is not needed. Make sure to cap the free edge. And put it in a lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply 2 coats of Snow White. Cap the free edge and put it in a lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to use the Urban Grafitti Courtesan. It's a beautiful red and now I'm gonna do the lines for the candy cans. What I like to do is putting some drops of the color on my palette and using my detail brush to pick up the color. I'm going to use the Nail 003 detail brush. I'm going to start on the right side and do a wave to the left side. Apply and pull the product down. I'm going to accentuate the line. I will use more product to make the line wider. Repeat the same process. Now you can make a thin line between the other two. To fix any mistakes, use gel residue wipe-off solution on your brush. To secure your design, flash cure for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to continue the design. Flash cure for 10 seconds. Last curing process for 30 seconds. Apply the Urban Graffiti top coat. And cure for 30 seconds. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product used in this video will be in the description box down below. Until next time, Merry Christmas and au revoir!